Let's move on to optimizing furniture geometry. Usually, furniture models can be obtained from various sources and are created by other specialists for different tasks. Such assets are usually high poly with a high level of details. First, let's turn off the bloom effect, so it does not distract from work. Edit. Project settings. In search, write bloom. Disable. That's better. Furniture consists of several components. This is good because I can individually adjust the level of details for each element. Let's start with the bed, it's the heaviest object in the scene. All elements of the bed separately. Change view mode to wireframe. You can see that the model has a very dense mesh. It needs to be simplified. Switch to detail lighting mode. Select the headboard and open the asset in edit mode. 282,000 triangles, it's a lot. Switch to modeling mode. There are many tools available for editing geometry. Find the Mesh Ops tab. Simplify tool. Simplifier type I choose UE standard, is highest quality reduction. Let's leave the target mode as a percentage, but other options are also available here, for example number of vertex and triangles. Target percentage is a simplification of the model based on given value. The smaller the value, the simpler the geometry will be. I'll try 30%, let's wait until the end of the calculation. Mesh has become less dense. 20%. Visually, the model has not changed. Let's see how many triangles. 56,000, good result. Now pillows. 30% is enough. I will make it for all pillows. Mattress. $25 is good. Blanket. 25. 30. Yes, 30 is good. We'll continue to simplify the elements of the bed. Excellent, with the bed I finished. Now the armchair. The mesh density is too heavy. Back pillow has 126,000 triangles. It needs to be fixed. 20% is good. 25,000 is so much better. The second pillow. Next, chair frame. Chair is ready. This console has heavy frame mesh. I'll try to simplify it. As you can see in this case, the mesh structure changes and geometry breaks. Should be left unchanged. Towels in the bathroom. $126,000 triangles. $25,000 is already better. I will simplify all towels. Moving on. Plumbing and shower can be simplified. 40% so as not to break the geometry. Here I can simplify more. Leave the toilet unchanged. Shower system. These handles need to be simplified. The shower head also need to be optimized. Decorative cloth in closet. %15 is good. I will remove the bottoms. They are too heavy and do not affect the visual perception of the scene. I will simplify all the clothes in the same way. Clothes hangers can also be simplified. Ready. Now the clothes are on the opposite side. Door handles. Next, furniture in the living room. Napkin on the table. Vase with flowers. I will simplify the elements separately. This bar stool has a heavy mesh. I will simplify it too. Kitchen sink. I think 50 will be enough, not to break the geometry. Sofas in the living room. I will simplify according to the same principle as the furniture in the bedroom. Floor lamp. 35 is good. Chandelier in the front. All models are ready inside. Now to the outside. Sofa, table and armchair. Grill. Optimizing handles.